Here I have XIAOMI 13T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, switch to the vision section, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable use Talkback, then tap allow, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
So as you could hear, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen, the focused items, and it works the way, so for example I just tap close
button, double tap to activate,
and this action gets spoken out loud. So in order to confirm it, you just double tap anywhere on the screen like this,
close tutorial,
and that's how I can close
time.
it.
Close
Double
button,
tap.
Talkback,
So for example, if you want to
button,
disable Talkback,
double tap to
now we
use
tap
Talkback,
here,
on,
double tap,
Talkback,
stop,
stop.
and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.